Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a charming residence for sale. It is nestled on over half-acre of land. It is located in serene Mandeville, Jamaica, tucked in the prestigious and well-maintained Ingleside neighbourhood. The main section boasts 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, offering ample space. The lower level features two self-contained apartments, both generating income. Each apartment comes complete with a bedroom, bathroom, living area, laundry room, and a veranda to relax on. The estate is rich with a variety of fruit trees, and for peace of mind, it's equipped with a security system. Amenities include an 8,000-gallon water tank, solar water heater, pre-installed solar panel piping, a gazebo, and 4 balconies. There is a two-car garage complemented by abundant additional parking space. The mountain views this property offers are simply breathtaking. This property is more than a house, it's an invitation to savor life's finest moments. Experience the warmth, comfort, and potential this property holds. Reach out for further details. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
The asking price for this house is Jamaican 72 million or US $467.8 thousand to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.